Hello students of class 12, welcome back once again to your biology class. Today I am here to tell you something about your biology practical. You know you are going to have your theory paper of 70 marks and your practical of 30 marks. And for completing everything about practical, time allotted will be of 3 hours. So you will have one major experiment which will be from experiment number 5 and 6. You have to perform one minor experiment from experiment number 2 and 3. Slide preparation from experiment number 1, 4 and spotting you will be having. You have to identify. Okay, and you can see the list of experiments in part A, and in part B the study or observation of the following, that is the spotting portion. So what you have to do is, this time for your half yearly, you just do experiment number 1, 2, 3 from part A and experiment number 1, 2, 3 and 4 from part B. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to use threaded file for performing your biology practical copy. You have to use the threaded file, not the binded file. Okay, one side interleaf, one side ruled, one side white. You have to use blue and black ballpoint pen for writing your practical. Use of any other colored pen or colors are not allowed. Only use blue or black ballpoint pen. And while doing the diagrams, be careful, don't use any pen or any color or any shading in your diagrams. Only use pencil for the diagram along with leveling. Okay, and what you have to do is, you have to write the aim at the first, then the materials required, after that the procedure, observation, and any observation table if it is there you have to write on the rule side, and finally conclusion and the precautions. Okay, so please don't write the theory portion. You can see in your book, in your practical book, that the theory portion is also given. No need to write the theory portion. Understood? So from part A you have to do number 1, prepare a temporary mount to observe the pollen germination. Experiment number 2, collect and study soil from at least 2 different sites and study them for texture, moisture content, pH and water holding capacity. Correlate with the kinds of plants found in them. Experiment number 3, collect water from 2 different water bodies around you and study them for pH, clarity and presence of any living organism. These 3. And from part B you have to do flower adapted to pollination by different agencies, wind, insect, birds. Identification of stages of gamete development, that is transverse section of testis and transverse section of ovary through permanent slides. Experiment number 3, meiosis in onion bud cell or grasshopper testis through permanent slides. Number 4, transverse section of blastula through permanent slide. So these 3 from part A and these 4 from part B. Now you do, apart from that you will have your project also, and you will have viva from both your practical file and your project also. So project we will do later on. Now for your half yearly, for your midterm, you just do experiment number 1, 2, 3 from part A and experiment number 1, 2, 3 and 4 from part B. Okay, and make it prepare it, and no need to write the index or the date or the page number right now, because these files you are making ready for the board. So whatever the final preparation, whatever the index, the page number and whatever else is remaining, that we will do later on. When you make your file ready, that time we will prepare all these things. Now just go on writing these 3 and 4, that is 7 experiments. I hope you have understood entirely. Start writing. All the best. Thank you.